In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. Before we dive in, there's a crucial note. Most streaming platforms, including Netflix, use digital rights management to prevent redistribution of their content. Sharing shows or movies to others by broadcasting your screen can violate their terms and may be illegal in your region. Because of that, I won't be showing any steps that bypass those protections or remove black screens. Instead, I'll show you how to set up Discord correctly, explain why the black screen happens, and suggest safe, legal ways to watch together. Start by opening Discord and heading to User Settings, the gear icon near your profile. Go to Voice and Video, then scroll to the Video section. This is where you can confirm your camera works and adjust how video behaves during a stream. If you want to see exactly what your audience would see while you're live, turn off Hide Stream Previews. This only affects your personal preview in Discord and doesn't change how protected content behaves. If you're sharing content, you own the rights to show. Join a voice channel, click screen, choose either a specific app window or your entire screen, pick the resolution and frame rate you prefer, and click Go Live. Sharing a specific window can reduce accidental notifications appearing on stream, while sharing your entire screen is helpful if you need to switch between apps. Now, about that black screen. It appears because browsers and apps honor DRM and block capture of protected video. Attempting to disable or circumvent those protections is not something I can guide you through. The safe workaround is to use co-watching solutions where each viewer streams directly on their own device. Here's how to watch together the right way. Use a synchronized viewing extension or service designed for watch parties, where everyone signs in with their own account and the playback stays in sync. Keep Discord open for voice chat reactions and screen-free hangout vibes. This preserves video quality for everyone and respects the platform's rules. A few tips to improve screen share quality for non-DRM content. Keep your browser and graphics drivers up to date. Share a specific app window when possible. Turn off unnecessary overlays. Close extra tabs and apps to free up resources. And consider using windowed mode if you see flickering. If a preview looks blank, restart the app or try a different browser. That's it. Set up Discord properly, respect content protections, and use official watch party tools so everyone can enjoy the stream smoothly and legally.